Hello and welcome back to Tech Tips for Genealogists. Today I'm going to share with you how I am proceeding with my recording of summaries from the RootsTech sessions that I watch over the next few days. I'll share my screen with you. On the left-hand side, you can see I have the RootsTech open at the first session, the virtual keynote about the Gardner brothers. Thoroughly enjoyed listening to this. I would call it a self-paced, who do you think you are for a family? It was quite engaging, but I wanted to summarize that whole presentation. Rather than taking copious notes, I'm going to ask my AI friend Gemini Pro to help me. So I've opened up my sidebar, which you can see is sitting up here, Gemini sidebar, which has access to this site. Very tiny little label there. I hope you can read it. I'm just going to put in a simple prompt. Please summarize this presentation. And I'm just going to give the URL so that it knows exactly what I'm referring to. And then activate. And now it's able to initiate the search, refine the strategy, identify keynote speakers, define the presentation, analyze the structure. So it's doing quite a lot of thinking and planning. And in a few seconds, it should give me the summary. Here we go. Here is the summary of the virtual keynote of the Gardner brothers. Gives me a little overview, key highlights, key message, and a notable quote like that, and some of the viewing availability. So I like that summary. Very easy to do. So I simply copy that. And now I'm going to place that into my Google Doc. I have one ready up here. I'm going to activate that. And here you can see it. I've just given it a little heading here, which I can make as a title. It hasn't copied the formatting from Gemini, but that's easily fixed. But it's just a short little summary. It's probably sufficient as it is. And I've given it the name. So I'm now going to be able to record the summaries of each of those virtual keynotes and presentations from RootsTech 2026. So I hope that you can use some of this to help you to record your experience. I'll be back with more tech tips later.